But I can pretty much one-tap the everything I hit.
Yeah, and you know about the heavy melee, right?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
But the yeah, I've been streaming the main story quest stuff, and then when I'm offline, if I don't have Destiny levels to get, I come in here and just clear out towns. I'm finally coming up against enemies that I don't one tap when with my sniper. But I really like the Barrett. I've gotten it up to 476.
Nice.
So that's pretty good. I've got an SMG. I've got up over 500, like 500 something. I don't like that the Barrett bullets don't penetrate, or like any of the snipers. They don't shoot through. So like I can't hit something in
the remnants of the twisted trees.
Oh boy, be sure to fully investigate them.
Hey, come on out, sucker!
Explore the area and find a way out. How about the same way I got in?
Yep. Probably. Oh wait, no, that was one of those things. One of those is actually kind of a fun little.
Oh yeah, this is
fun little deal.
Okay, yeah, it's a completely different quote-unquote area.
And the AI cannot hit the broadside of a barn. These are like stormtroopers over here. I'm kind of mad that I can't pick up their weapons. I wish I could do that.
Oh, that's a level 20. How in the hell?
You can probably kill him. And rift anchors. How about I need to go this way?
That used up a lot of ammo.
Yeah, any of those instances, you got to go in with tons of ammo. But you might check because it only shows you the remaining rounds of the same type. So like if you have copper rounds and regular rounds and AP rounds, it won't total all those up and tell you what that is. It only shows you the remaining rounds of that particular ammo type.
Gotcha.
So like if you have other ammo in inventory, it will automatically switch and start using it when that runs out. But it won't, like from the HUD, it won't tell you that those bullets exist. I think I might try a rifle. I think my playstyle is lending to rifle usage.